Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna tell you guys the things that I love the most from the drugstore. This is gonna be like a drugstore starter kit video. I want to tell you guys like the things that I love from the drugstore that are just the best things out there, and they're affordable, and the things I'm going to mention are things that I cannot live without. They're things that I purchase over and over and over again, and if you look at my vanity now, I have so many of those because I just keep buying and buying and buying new ones, because just in case they want to discontinue, you're not going anywhere. So yeah, these are things that you could find at the drugstore. Like if you go personally, these are not things that you could order online. I mean, you can order online, but I know some of us don't have the luxury of ordering online, so that's why I wanna do this video for you guys. Just if you guys are starting out in makeup and you don't know what to buy, this is gonna be the perfect starter kit for you. But yeah, don't forget to join the Pineapple Squad if you haven't joined my family, and if you like videos like these, then give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of my future videos, and without further ado, let's get into the tutorial. Alright guys, so I'm gonna start out with foundation, and I have like a whole thing here. Oh my god, this is so much. Alright, so you guys know that my holy grail foundation is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and it looks like this. This is my holy grail foundation. It's just amazing. I have so many of these foundation. Obviously this is not my skin tone, this is just one that I have with me now, because these ones I use on my clients all the time. Like y'all, this foundation has two type of foundations. It has a matte one, and then a matte and poreless, and then a dewy one. And I like the dewy one for like winter and everything, but I mostly buy the matte ones, and my clients love it. They always ask me to send them a picture of the foundation I used, and I'm like, it was this one. But I really do recommend it. I just feel like it cannot go wrong, and you could get this for $5 at Walmart. Like, excuse me, like, you need to get this foundation. It's just such an amazing foundation, and yeah, it's really good. So now I want to go to concealers, and the concealers I'm going to mention are also for Maybelline, and they're the ones that are in the Maybelline line, and they're these two right here. Well, these right here. I have like two colors, and I have more of these. It's crazy, my obsession. And this is the Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and mine's are beat up, and this one has like an eyelash. What the heck? And it looks like this. And they're so good, and they have them in so many shades, and they're so creamy. They don't crease. They're so good. Don't get me wrong, I'm using so many other concealers and I love them, but I don't know, I just feel like these can never compare. Like, these are so good. Like, they're really good. But yeah, I do really recommend you guys to pick up this concealer. They're full coverage. They kind of have a lot of product, I'm not gonna lie, and yeah, they're really good. And then now I'm gonna go and talk about powders. You guys know that I love this powder. Like, I have a video all dedicated to comparing this powder to like the, you know, expensive powders out there. And this is my favorite one of all times. This is the Coty Airspun loose face powder, and mine is beat up and it's like cracked. So every time I open it, powder goes everywhere, but it's okay because I love it. And this is the Coty Airspun loose face powder. I can't even like put it like this because it's gonna like start falling. But yeah, this is the powder right here. It is so good. Y'all, this powder is so good. Like, I can't talk enough about this powder. This powder is $5. Look how huge it is. You're gonna have it forever and ever and ever and ever and ever and ever. It's such a good powder. It's like translucent, and make sure you get the translucent 70 to 40 shade, because I know they have different ones, and my friend actually bought one that says neutral, and then she had to go back and return it, and you know, blah blah blah. But yeah, make sure you buy that one. And then I have other options for powders if you don't like this one. I also like the Rimmel London State Matte Powder. I did a full review on this one as well on my channel. I'll put it down below. But this powder just leaves such a nice bright under eye. It just makes your skin look so flawless too. Like, there's so many powders in the drugstore that I really like, and people don't think this is good just because this is like $4.99, but it is good. And all the products that I'm mentioning, you could go to Walmart and get them, so you're welcome. Alright, so the next powder is this one, and this is the Fit Me powder. I'm telling y'all, the Fit Me line is incredible. The Fit Me line is like the best thing at the drugstore. Like, everything is good. And this is the powder that came out, I believe it was like last year or something, and this is like, oh my god, this powder is like so nice. The compact is so pretty. I did buy one that's a little too dark for me, so that's why I don't use it as much. But I'm gonna go buy one that's a little bit lighter and just put it under my under eyes, because the last time I put it under my under eyes, y'all, it was so nice. I love this powder as well. And the last powder that I have that you also might like if your skin is like a little bit lighter than mine is the NYC Smooth Skin Powder. And yes, this is a smooth skin powder. It is so good. It leaves your under eyes so smooth. It doesn't let your concealer crease, and it's a really good powder, and it is also very affordable. And okay, so the next powder that I'm going to mention is just a setting powder. I know there's so many out there and everything in the drugstore, but this one is just one of those that everybody has. If you watch everybody's videos, like they always have this powder in their makeup routine at some point. And this is the Rimmel Stay Matte Powder. Mine is beat up because it's just such a good powder. It looks like this, and I bought mine at Target, and they also have it at Walmart. And make sure you buy the translucent one. This you could use to set your eyelids, set your concealer. If you're gonna use the concealer as your eyelid primer, set it with this, or just set your whole face. I set my whole face, and it doesn't change the color of my foundation whatsoever. So this is a very good powder, and I really recommend it. And my next product is gonna be contouring, and I have this one right here that I really love, and then I also have this one that I really love, and this is the LA Colors Wake I Love Makeup contour palette. You can find this at Family Dollar and like other places like Popcorn and like a beauty supply kind of thing. This one is really good. If you're like a makeup artist, it's like a really good one. And that one is like $6, so it's really good. But then my all-time favorite contouring palette is this one. I love this contouring palette. It looks like this. I hit panda on it because it's so good and I can't live without it. And this contouring shade is when I really want to look bronzy. It doesn't crease, and this is so amazing. Like, can you guys believe this is $4.99? Like, are you kidding me? This is $4.99. It's so good, and I recommend this. I bought it late. Like, I was late to like the hype, and I feel so bad. Now for brows, I want to talk about this because I'm obsessed with it. This is the only thing that I've been using for my brows, and I love it. And this is the Profusion Brows palette, and I've showed you guys this before. I have a full video just talking about Profusion, and this is how it looks like. And I use these two shades at the end, and I take this with me when I freelance and everything, and it looks amazing. And everybody, it looks like this. It's very nice. I love the packaging, and yeah, it's just so good, so creamy. Look at my eyebrows. I'm wearing it today. It is so nice. I absolutely love it. It is $6. They have it at Target now, and I don't know, I've been obsessed with it. It's such good quality. I love Profusion, and it's so good. Alright, so now I want to talk to you about blush. The best blushes are from Wet n Wild. We all know this. They have the best blushes ever. My favorite is Mellow Wine. Mellow Wine broke, so I don't have it with me, but this is pretty much how they all look. It's so nice. It's they're super pigmented, like crazy pigmented. Like, you need only to hit it with your brush once and just like take the excess off, because if you go right ahead to your cheeks, it's crazy. This is how good these blushes are. They're a little scary, like they might be like too pigmented, but they're so good, and I really recommend them. I don't recommend any other blush because I don't really use any other blushes. These are very good. I do have LA Girl blushes and everything, but I don't know, I always go back to this one. It's really good. And now I'm gonna talk about highlight. You guys know I love my highlight. It's my favorite thing ever, and I have two that I can't live without, like whatsoever. I just discovered this one, and this is the Maybelline Master Chrome highlight, and I have mine in Molten Gold. Y'all not ready. Look at the beauty in this. This is such a beautiful highlight. Like, you guys don't understand. Like, it's the most beautiful highlight I've ever seen. It's literally like gold, like gold. This is like a gold beautiful highlight. Like, it's just so nice. And I got this back in December for Christmas, and I've been using it since then, and I feel like It just makes your cheeks look so beautiful, and yeah, I really do like it. And then the next one is this one. This is the Wet n Wild MegaGlo highlighting powder in Precious Petals. I'm sure you guys have seen this one like crazy everywhere. Everybody likes this one. Every video that has highlights include this one. Wet n Wild kills it with highlights. It's just so good. And I have this one. I don't like the other ones. This is like the best one that they have. Hopefully they don't change their formula, because I love this one. I cannot live without this one. I mainly put this one in my brow bone. I don't know why. There's something about this highlight that it's amazing in your brow bone. I don't know why. Don't ask me, but this is my brow bone highlight. I don't know. I can't live without it. I feel like the day that I lose this, I don't know what I'm going to put in my brow bone, because it's just amazing. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to tell you guys is about a contouring stick, and this is from Wet n Wild. Wet n Wild, Wet n Wild. Wet n Wild is so good, y'all. Like, I really do like the Wet n Wild foundation, just if you're wondering, but I like this one better. I love the Wet n Wild one. I recently actually just finished it. Like, it's completely done. I love that foundation, but my first love was the Maybelline one, so I'm going to stick to it. But yeah, this is the Wet n Wild contouring stick, y'all. If you guys try contouring with this and then going over it with like a contouring powder, like these two together, ooh, girl, it's gonna look so good on your cheeks. I don't do it as often because sometimes we get really lazy to contour and everything, but if you're looking to cream contour, this is the best cream contouring stick in the drugstore, hands down. Don't think about it too much, go buy it. Alright, so I have this right here, and I've had this forever. This was really, really big, and it just turned super small. And this is eyeliner, and this is the black eyeliner by Rimmel. I'm not sure the name. I think this is the carbon something. Scandaleyes Kohl liner by Rimmel. There you go. The name is like already like literally gone, but this is the best eyeliner in the drugstore. The best one. I know they have so many. I've bought so many. Like, I have so many eyeliners from the drugstore, and they don't do anything. Like, they're hard to apply. They make my eyes watery and everything, and I'm just like, you know, I'm not about that life. So this is like my favorite, and I really do recommend it if you're starting out in makeup. It's so good. And for my last two things is this two primers right here. The first one, you guys already know I love this. Is the Catrice Prime and Fine primer. Like, you guys know I love this because it's like all dirty with makeup and like stuff. It is amazing. And then the next one is the L'Oreal Magic Perfecting Base. It looks like this. I love this one to put right here because like it really covers your pores really, really nicely. It is a little bit on the pricey side, but you're never gonna run out. Like, I haven't ran out. Like, it has so much still. So that one's really good. And the Catrice one, I just love how it makes your makeup feel so smooth in your skin. It kind of just like makes like a nice border between your face and like the makeup that you're gonna apply, and it's just like really smoothing, and like, I don't know, it makes my skin feel really good. So that's why I use it. And yeah, I really do recommend that one. And for setting sprays, I am obsessed with the Pixi setting sprays. I know they're a little expensive. They have them at Target. This is my favorite one so far. It smells so good. Hold up. It smells really, really good. I'm not big in setting sprays or nothing, so if you guys know one that is really good, let me know so I can buy it. I really want a good setting spray from the drugstore that will make my makeup stick forever. I tried the Maybelline one and everything, but I don't know, like, I don't know which one. Like, I'm still trying to figure it out, but when I do, I will let you guys know. And yeah, this is the completed video. Am I forgetting something? I don't even think I'm forgetting something. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope I helped you. I hope that helped you choose some things that you probably wanted to go purchase. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you. And I will see you guys very soon in my next video. Bye, guys.